everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Scandal from the 12th to the 14th of March 2025. I know guys, they are so disappointed on e.tv Scandal because of the changes but rest assured guys, you know the writers just that they are introducing us to this new era of e.tv Scandal. They are back. We don't know what storyline now is with this new scandal, because the old one of which they are no longer there. So yeah guys, let's just wait and see what this is what we're going to happen guys from today on the 12th to the 14th of March 2025 on Wednesday. A desperate attempt to bury a secret is foiled when an old friend of Nhloso's arrives. He isn't welcome at the Gaza home. Giliboni worries about poet and the future of Ethembeni on Thursday. Someday is a surprise when a hoodlum searches for Mtariana's Jr. Tenant resists unsettling plans, casting doubt on their future. Botsotso's bold vision faced unexpected opposition on Friday. Mdala makes enemies who start stirring up trouble for him. Isn't also inviting a fox into his hen home or hen house. Manipulation is on the card at Ethembeni, and Madlomo is the target of the day. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.